Haka jing persang ke sorkar jela ban penjan ka jingi dei ha pedeng jongka bat Kynthoh Khubor bat ban ai ke jingi thu nak benta Kynthoh Khubor ki bala ai ke jing sakri bon snam haka ni ka kam haka arpho trik na lur arja arsaw kata haka sien ka baningkong ka Directorate of Information and Public Relation DIPR kala penlong ka fast Meghalaya media meet ka bala penlong hata chviventa Hakani ka singi la wan bane shimenta do mentirang ba ka jelaw konrad ke sangma kumukong san harengkat ke jidon lang ka Dr. Mazil Amprin Lingdo Menteri Bedikmi ya katanat Information and Public Relations u Vijay Kumar Mantri IAS Commissioner Secretary ka Information and Public Relation kinong tray ka DIPR Kynthoh Khubor na lor kiwe Hakani ka singi la pun kuburam Kynthoh Khubor ka balakan jo lai post na mahagachi sakri jongki hakani ka kam ki bakanthop yo sanat ki Chakravarti Uba Philip Marwen, Uba Monak Chabang, Sanjeev Bhattacharjee, Subrata Bhattacharjee, Manas Chowdhury, Kalinda Chakchok, Bat Uba Marius Mtiang, Hakaba naka liang umintirang ba ka jalaw la ay marsilak tengka Shaki naka Chief Minister Grant. Haba ai jingkran hakani ke jelang mentirang ba ke jelaw lo ong baki kam ke bakasor kar jelak la le nak benta Kynthoh Khubor kalong ke beduna sebab palat dakabong baki Kynthoh Khubor ki don ke benta ke bakongsan haka imlang salang bat ban kentu ye kitnat badepet ban penlong ye kini ki program se ki weiru ki district nalor bandon ke ji kendu hapdeng Kynthoh Khubor ki banaka jela bat ki baniki weipat ki jela khnang banla ban kentiu susu yakani ka kam Nalor katau lo ongru ba jubu nun habadon kanu ko Khubor ka Kynthoh ya u daga ba ong ba sim ya ka kumkalat ban le khamba susu ya ka kam.
We also interact and connect with our fraternity of journalists to be able to then figure out how we can move forward in the larger interest of the media fraternity and the media sector, and to ensure that the entire sector thrives, follows a certain code, is able to improve itself in terms of the given circumstances, in the technological changes that we are seeing. So all of this thought has actually brought us to this point where we felt that we need to have this kind of media meets on a regular basis. We all agree that we disagree. So that's fine. That's how healthy democracy works. And disagreeing with somebody's viewpoint or with somebody's work or somebody's policy is not anything wrong. And I'm sure most of the journalists who have interacted with me or are in touch with me personally, you will realize that for me, every criticism is a positive criticism. This is what I believe. And in fact, whenever I see a news article in any paper, it actually motivates me to resolve that particular problem. So really, you are giving me an opportunity to see the other side of the story. And that's how I take it. And I'm very clear about this, even after 7 years of being the Chief Minister, that every single article and information that is brought in is something that is of a constructive nature, and positives can come out of it, and it is how we look at it and how we deal with it is what is important. And hence, I do want to make it clear that there is no negativity when it comes to at least the way I see things. Of course, there will be, as I said, differences. It's natural, because it is the duty of the media, the press, and everybody, in the press fraternity, to look at aspects which are important from the public interest point of view and facts that need to come out.
Nakaliang ka Dr. Amprin Kalaong Habai day ba ka jingdon ki Khubor lamler ki bala sapriang ka ngej ba ki Kynthoh Khubor ki bala sakri Islam hakani ka banta kin hab ban pintikina ba ki Kynthoh Khubor ki bamanta kin ya hakalti ka badai.
Mobile journalism, again, this is a very, very dangerous trend as we see around us. Sometimes citizens get totally shocked and flabbergasted with the kind of sharing of information on one's or from one's own private mobile. Citizen journalism, this is again a very important topic for discussion. How far do we allow citizens to discuss issues of public importance? And what should be the response of the government therefore? Artificial intelligence. I was shocked just day before yesterday. Somebody sent me a message on my WhatsApp saying, "Ma'am, you've been sending me these messages time and again in the last 3 days. I wonder whether it's really you." That is the danger of artificial intelligence. People can actually create images that are 100% like you. Question is, who believes whom? What is factual and what is a fraction of one's imagination? I believe that media is a strong tool, and all of us are and will always be able to benefit from the use of media. Having taught in the media department for so many years, having acquired a specialized education in the field of media education, I feel privileged that I was guided by faculty, by colleagues who gave us a strong foundation on how can we use the tool of the media to help community rather than to condemn or to mimic or to make fun of someone in the community. I must say that all of these recipients of today's award are very, very deserving. I know each and every one of you almost personally.
Haba thin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata haba thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.